So like I was saying before about the flickering sun, and objects that appear still in the sky for hours and hours or days at a time, it's shown here in my quick little graph that I show. The flickering sun is caused by those high-speed objects or other celestial objects that are breaking the beam, or debris in the debris tail, breaking the beams of these microwave beams between the satellite. Sending the microwave energy to the antennas that converts the microwave energy into electricity, which power the lasers, which powers the sun simulator. So there's still a real sun, but here's a simulator in orbit.
It's approximately distance of 250 miles above the Earth. And the diameter of this sun simulator has been measured now by scientist Dr. Albers. By the angle of the light that coming off the sun simulator has determined this is roughly 300 feet in diameter.
Dear gods, is there no end to this man's stupidity? Once more, Jeffers, let's have a look what fuckwitchery looks like. So now you claim a 300-foot diameter sun, at an altitude of between 250 and 256 miles, no less. Apparently you had the help of a scientist, but then you said Albers helped, so we know you're fibbing. This still means that the ISS will sometimes be in front of the sun simulator, and at other times it will be behind, due to its orbit, which varies from 205 miles to 270 miles. You also still claim lenses are used, which are meant to stop people seeing it, and or anything else they're not supposed to be seeing. Let's get an idea of scale. The ISS. The possible lens. And now your sun simulator. You are claiming that the sun sim lights up the Earth. Sadly, you will find that geometry laughs in your face. As explained to you before, you would have to use enough lenses to ensure no one could see around to the alleged sun simulator, or indeed the sun. But by so doing, you have vast swathes of lenses that the light from your sun simulator cannot reach due to the angle. Also, your lenses still have to remain fixed between Earth and the sun, so they are not geostationary. They would therefore be seen to move across the sky when allegedly visible and caught by these webcams, when we all know it's spiders, shit, dirt or other crap on the lenses. Your claims of the moon being affected by these lenses falls down in that it only happens in your webcams, and not to people who actually watch the moon with their eyes, telescopes and cameras. You know, people who are a bit more qualified. As I see it, quit. You have major gaps in your make-believe world. A. As stated before, you would need to cover an area of the Earth's orbit in excess of 900 million square kilometres. That's pretty big, Jeff. B. You would need to move this from time to time due to space junk warnings, and let us not forget the seasonal meteor showers we observe. Of note, is that a flake of paint has enough kinetic energy to do significant damage. C. When did all the rocket launches occur to build this? Do you understand how long it would actually take to build such a vast structure? I didn't think so, Jeffers. Limitations on payload? No. How about the vast quantities of fuel? No. You don't seem to know a lot about this, do you, Jeffers? D. Where are you getting the fuel source for the simulator, Jeff? At that size, it is extremely finite. I look forward to your answer on that, if you can. E. How come a hydrogen alphascope can only see the sun, Jeffers? F. Amateurs and professionals alike study the sun using spectral analysis. These people would know that it is not the sun they were looking at due to the signature. Would you like to explain that one, please? And I don't want it involving people being murdered to keep them quiet, because that's just stupid. So, in all, Jeffers, I'm afraid your fantasy fails abysmally. Now, did I hear you say you were going to do a more detailed drawing? I can't wait to see it. And rip it to shreds as well. Cheerio, old boy.